In this video, we're going to be talking about the VIP Savings Club and the excitement that's going on around this VIP Savings Program. I tell you what, the Shared Up Coded Bonus Program is just absolutely outstanding. And I tell you what, when you look at it and understand how it works, you'll get extremely excited. You can save money and make money all at the same time. We're going to roll the intro, then I'll get into VIP Savings Club on the other side. Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the VIP Savings Club. I tell you what, folks, we got a game changer here. We're going to show you how to save money and make money all at the same time. Before we get started, go ahead and like the video, hit the like button, tap the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. When you get a chance, walk over to the YouTube channel, check out some of the things we've got going on. What we do on this channel, we do money-making opportunities. Big ticket on the front side, residual income on the back side. Again, big ticket commissions on the front side, and while you're building your residual programs out on the front side, on the back side. Well, my biggest residual programs, of course, is American Bill Money, VIP Savings Club, and also share Wealth Step by Step. If you can share a postcard, folks, you can make money in any of these programs. Let me say American Bill Money. We've got Wealth Step by Step and VIP Savings Club. And it's been a while since I did a VIP Savings Club video. So I wanted to get in here, show you what this thing is about, and show you what we got going on with it. If you want to get in VIP Savings Club, the way to market this program, you want to get a website just like ours. Of course, the company provides 2 websites. This is optional. This is a totally optional website that we have for our team, and it's converting like nobody's business. We're excited about this website. We'll do all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. And folks, we've got postcards for VIP. I will put the link beneath the video if you want to, use the system. We've got 2 capture pages that the company provides for us. And again, this system here is optional to what the company provides for you. So we're excited about it. This right here is an introduction video. We're going to look at it real quick. We're going to, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to show this whole matrix plan, but when you get a chance, check out the second video. Get an understanding of how much money you can save in this program. Look at the force matrix. People are joining and getting involved. If you don't recruit one person, you still can make up to $1,000 plus per month. Of course, again, as an income disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action. And this is a back office walkthrough. Just incredible information about VIP Savings Club. Let me show you a quick, before we show the video, some of the benefits for getting involved with it. With the VIP Savings Club, you can get paid weekly and monthly residuals for the remainder of your life. Weekly and monthly residuals. Yes, you heard me right. You can make weekly and monthly residuals. Our hybrid shared up coded bonus plan, folks, it pumps out the goods. It pumps out the money. Join our recession killer VIP Savings Club. We have massive passive residuals for life. It is the world's largest discount platform. Well, where are the discounts at? What kind of discounts are you getting? Folks, on everyday basic necessities of our lives when we travel, different vendors, different places that we already are shopping at. For an example, let me show you some of the savings that you can get. Look here, this is one. Do you know where the pretzel shop in your local mall is located? We've had one in our local Walmart. Annie's at Auntie Annie's pretzels. Folks, we've got a coupon ready every day that you buy one pretzel and then you can get another pretzel for free. Folks, and basically all you do, download that app, key in the coupon code, and you got your savings. Papa John's savings are over there. look in the back office. Here it says find deals. Let's go here to click find deals in the back office. 5-star deals. Are you a person that loves to travel? Well, we've got travel discounts at theme parks and attractions, hotels, car rentals, water parks, movie tickets. Just choose a city, find out when you want to go shopping, and then get you your savings coupon, or go through the app and get it. Folks, this is how you can live better, save money, and enjoy your life on the things that you like. All of these possibilities, folks. SeaWorld, over here at Universal Studio, all these places, Broadway, Las Vegas, movie tickets, that you can be able to save up to 70% off on some of the travel places. SeaWorld in Orlando, San Antonio, Discover, Clove, Orlando, Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. And folks, just absolutely exciting ways to save money and to live better. Let me go back over here. There was something else I wanted to show you, but for the sake of time, here is another place you can get coupons. Coupons from through Amazon for Best Buy, Macy's. It's easy as 1, 2, 3 when you get to the VIP Savings Club back office. DoorDash, Best Buy, Papa John's. You can save money at all these retailers through by the VIP Savings Club app. Super excited about that. We're going to look at this video quickly. And again, for the sake of the time of the video, I'm not going to talk about the shared coded bonus, but that thing is absolutely powerful. You're going to want to look at this second video and see how powerful the VIP Savings Club is. And again, let me show you quickly. Here's a sneak peek of our back office. You've got the dashboard of finances, find deals. It can show your stats, the 4x4 force matrix, our promotional system on how to promote this opportunity. We've got postcards. You can buy solo ad traffic. It goes on and on and on, and how you can win in VIP Savings Club. Let's go quickly and look at this video here. Let's get an introduction. As the video just said, you're going to get savings on dining, shopping, entertainment, travel, auto care. It is a smorgasbord of savings. And at the same time, you got an affiliate, a residual income that you're building for the remainder of your life. Folks, this is absolutely exciting.
Picture this, a fresh start, a new beginning, an opportunity unlike any other. You're still here, still listening, because like us, you crave the taste of success. We're here to hand you a complete, lucrative franchise-type system done for you. What makes us stand out, you ask? First off, you break even on your very first sign-up. No more waiting around for success to show up. It starts here, it starts now. Next, we believe in the power of full recompense. You won't be settling for scraps with us. Every time you earn what you truly deserve, 100% commissions. But it doesn't stop there. We offer a recurring and predictable income, strong customer and member retention, and the opportunity to earn a substantial income quickly with a handful of people, not thousands. Our compensation plan, the Power of 4, is designed for today's world. With merely 4 sales,
this Power of 4 savings plan, it's incredible. When you watch the shared up bonuses, you'll get excited about it.
Plan doubles your commissions for every level of depth in every pay line to infinity. As a member, you gain access to the largest discount platform on the planet. We're not just any cashback app. We offer unbeatable savings on everything you need. From incredible travel and hotel savings to discounts at your favorite restaurants like Olive Garden or Red Lobster, save on golf, theme parks, concerts, and much more. You'd think something like this would cost a fortune. But no, it's not $100. It's half that. For such a modest price, you get great discounts and a fast residual income that can transform your life in months, not years. All you need to do is share what we have. It's time for you to stop chasing the dream and start living it. Leave behind the frustration and embrace the excitement of a new opportunity. Reach out to the person who shared this with you, and we'll help you seize success. We want to thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you real soon.
Okay, let me click out of this. Folks, this is potentially one of the world's largest discount app as far as saving money on those various, again, travel, weight loss, pet care. All of these things can be done by the VIP Savings Club. It's so much I can't cover it all in one video. I'm going to leave you there, but you want to click the video, opt into the form, look over this video one more time, go through how the matrix works. Look at the force matrix. This is a force matrix that we're in. Only 4 people on the first level, 16 on the next level, and they keep spilling over. Very powerful. And then this is a walkthrough of the website and the back office. Very powerful information. Well, folks, that's my time for today. We're going to stop here, and I'll see you on the next VIP Savings Club video. Get started today.